Corn Speedwell is a persistent winter weed that grows throughout the United States. Though easy to overlook, this plant spreads quickly and can easily overtake turfgrass and other more desirable plants. In this video, we'll show you how to identify Corn Speedwell, how to control it on your property, and how to prevent it from coming back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Other names for Corn Speedwell include Wall Speedwell, Common Speedwell, or just simply Speedwell. Corn Speedwell is a small weed covered in tiny hairs and typically grows to be 2 to 8 inches tall. When this plant sprouts, the leaves grow oval to roundish up to 3/4 of an inch long with shallow toothed margins and short petioles. As the plant matures, these lower leaves tend to wither. The upper leaves are often smaller, more narrow and pointed, and often smooth-edged. The stems are brown or green in color. They branch from the base of the plant and grow upwards. Some stems grow horizontally at first before curling vertically. At bloom, Corn Speedwell produces blue flowers. Each flower has dark veins and a white center. The flowers are typically less than an inch in diameter and grow 4 to 5 petals. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Corn Speedwell grows best in open, human-disturbed habitats with moist to medium dry soil that see full to partial sunlight. Common sites include lawns, ornamental landscaping in gardens, roadsides, and agricultural land. Corn Speedwell grows during cooler months, then dies when temperatures warm up. While active, look for low-growing, hairy plants. Corn Speedwell produces flowers in the early spring. Ideally, you'll look for young plants before they bloom to control them before they can produce seeds. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of Corn Speedwell already established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to remove them before they can reproduce. Check out 2DQ Turf Herbicide. This product may be used to control weeds growing in warm season and cool season grasses. To treat weeds in cool season turf, mix 0.75 to 1.1 fluid ounces of product into 1 to 4 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. To treat weeds in warm season turf, mix 0.37 to 0.9 fluid ounces of product into 1 to 4 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. To treat properties with a mix of warm and cool season grasses, mix 0.037 to 0.55 fluid ounces of product into just 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. With your solution, spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. A second application of 2DQ may be made 30 days after the first application. Do not make more than 2 applications per year. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before the plant is ready to reproduce. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent new weeds from germinating, apply a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turfgrass species, you'll apply 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least half an inch of water. An additional application may be made after 6 months for year-round weed prevention. We also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will control established weeds. After applying fertilizer, continue with integrated vegetation management to maintain your property's health. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of corn speedwells on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.